Welcome back. Can attorneys for Justin Ross Harris find a fair and impartial jury? That's the big question. After 3 weeks, we may be finally coming to the end of jury selection in the hot car death trial. By now, you know the Georgia dad faces the murder charge. Prosecutors saying he intentionally left his 22-month-old son Cooper strapped in his car seat for 7 hours under the sweltering summer sun. Harris denying this, saying he forgot his son was even with him. So far, 38 jurors have been deemed qualified. We're told they need to get a total of about 40-plus jurors for the murder trial to begin. Joining me from outside the courthouse, CNN legal analyst Philip Holloway. Philip, good to talk to you again. I was looking at your Twitter feed, Philip, and read juror number 78 was questioned at length about her social media use. Why is that?
Good afternoon, Yasmin. As you know, Justin Ross Harris has been accused of, among other things, being very, very prolific in his use of social media in his alleged contacts with these underage girls that pertain to the sexting charges. And, of course, the district attorney has said that this sexting activity and his extramarital affairs that he generated over social media has to do with an alleged motive to kill Cooper Harris maliciously. Yasmin.
So did she get struck for that, Philip? Did that juror get struck for that, or are they still in the pool?
No, being a prolific social media user is not one of the things that will automatically get you struck from a jury in Georgia or any other state. But it is going to be significant because the parties want to know how familiar these jurors are with the subject matter that we can expect witnesses and others to testify about during the actual trial. Yasmin. All
right, another lying accusation. There's been some lying accusations throughout this jury selection process. One happened yesterday between juror number 57 and the assistant DA. It got pretty heated. Let's take a listen to it.
How do you forget about a search warrant being executed on your home where 1 3/4 pounds of marijuana are seized when you and your wife are arrested in the bedroom?
I thought it was detained. Detained and arrested, two different words. I was never fingerprinted. I was never got an attorney. I was given, sorry for coming in, and I left and that was it.
Philip, were you surprised by this exchange?
Yasmin, that was like nothing I have ever seen before in my entire legal career, or even before that, when a prosecutor or any lawyer representing either side of a case directly goes after a prospective juror in a cross-examination style fashion, just like you would if you had a witness that you caught lying and you were able to go right for the jugular and take that witness out. And that's what the DA did. They were able to get this juror struck for cause because of the alleged inconsistencies at best and perhaps perjurious answers given on the questionnaire and during the questioning in court. Yasmin.
All right, Philip, not much time left, but at the end of the day, this trial is about a 2-year-old boy dying in some of the worst ways possible. It must be really difficult looking forward to the trial to think about these jurors having to look at some of these pictures, considering the way in which he passed.
Absolutely, Yasmin, and I've tried cases in this very courthouse behind me having to do with deaths of 2-year-old children. And I can tell you the photographs are absolutely going to be horrifying, and the jury is going to have to look at all of that stuff.
Yeah, unbelievable stuff. Philip Holloway, thanks so much. Great work. Appreciate it. By the way, keep it right here for the latest on the hot car death trial. Reminder, we're going to carry opening statements gavel to gavel live on HLN. Thank you for joining us.